Welcome, everybody, to Ask the Attorney. My name is Brad Latchett. I am General Counsel for the Professional Insurance Agents of the Northeast. And today we have a question from Connecticut on renewal premium. So specifically, my client just received their renewal policy, Their premium increased by 20%. Doesn't Connecticut law require the carrier to provide some sort of advance notice of the premium increase? Yeah, it's a great question. Obviously, during this kind of time of hard market, we're seeing a lot of premium increases going on. So whether the carrier needs to provide notice or not, very good question. So Connecticut law does provide for advance notice, but the rules are a little bit different for personal lines and commercial lines. So I'll talk about personal lines first, and then we'll jump over to commercial afterwards. So for a personal lines policy under Connecticut law, an insurance company is required to provide at least 30 days of advance notice of any premium increase, whether that increase is 1% or, like in this question right here, 20%. So personal lines policies, if there's a premium increase, a notice must be given at least 30 days. Pretty straightforward. Commercial lines, it's a little bit more complicated. There's some nuance there. So generally speaking, that 30-day period that I mentioned would apply to commercial lines as well. If there's an increase, notice must be given at least 30 days in advance, except for when they don't have to. And there's a few exceptions. So one exception is if the premium increase is 10% or less. So on a commercial lines policy, a premium increase of 10% or less, no advance notice is required. So forget about the 30 days. Only if the premium increase is above that 10% is that advance notice required. In addition, if the annual premium for a commercial lines policy is $50,000 or more, no advance notice of a premium increase is required, no matter what the number is. So again, if the premium is increasing by less than 10%, or if the annual premium on the policy is $50,000 or more, no notice is required. Now, all other commercial lines policies, a premium notice, the advance premium notice would be required. And again, that's 30 days. Now, there is a small exception for municipalities. Notices must still be required for those entities as well, but carriers need to give at least 60 days notice to municipalities, 30 days to other commercial lines clients. Hopefully that helps to answer this question. If you have any other questions on this topic or anything else, please feel free to reach out to PIA at the Resource Center at PIA.org or GovAffairs at PIA.org. Thank you so much for joining me for Ask the Attorney. Hopefully I'll see you again soon.